Welcome. This is the microsurvey FieldGenius for Android how-to video on using the traverse COGO function. From the survey main map menu, go to the COGO icon, which is the calculator. Select that, and then the function you want to use, in this case traverse, and select that. This will open the COGO data panel, which is a workflow that is synchronized with the map view to allow you to conduct COGO calculations and save points. In this case, we will pick a starting point. You can either click on the map to select the point, you can select it from the list, or type it in to the field. So we'll start from point 6. Now we can put in the direction we want to go and the distance. You can see the traverse point, the location, and you can see it on the map as well as the inputs in the data panel, and click plus to add this point to the points database. As you can see, we now use point 19 as the starting point for the next part of the traverse, but what I'm going to do is change the azimuth here and put in a new direction. And you can see as I'm putting in the direction and I've got a distance, it's showing the point. If I remove the distance, it will just show the direction off to the edge of the map. So in this case, we'll put a distance of 15 meters and select Done. Again, I can add this traverse point to the map and continue on with the traverse. If at any point I want to not save the traverse, when I review it, I can just use the back button. And when I'm done using the traverse function, I can select Close. Thank you.